মার্কার পেন মার্কার পেনটা অন্য the board. Srikanth, stand up. Do you know the word cuisine?
Yes, sir.
What is its Bengali meaning?
Sorry, sir.
Would you please sit down, anyone? Anshu? Good, Bangladeshi Randhan Pranali. Okay, sit down. Thank you so much. Today we are going to discuss about Bangladeshi cuisine. Now please open your book and go to the page 9. Please open your English book and go to the page 9. I am reading loudly. You listen silently, then you will read silently. I will give you 3 to 4 minutes. Okay? Bangladeshi cuisine is rich and varied with the use of many spices. We have delicious and appetizing food, snacks and sweets. Boiled rice is our staple food. It is served with a variety of vegetables, curry, lentil soups, fish and meat. Fish is the main source of protein. Fish are now cultivated in ponds. Also we have freshwater fish in the lakes and rivers. More than 40 types of fish are common. Some of them are carp, rui, katla, magur or catfish, chingri, prawn or shrimp. Fish is very popular among the people of Bangladesh. Dried fish or chutki is also popular. Pantai dish is a popular traditional food. Rice soaked in water and served with seeds. It is a type of cakes made from rice, flour, sugar, syrup, molasses and sometimes milk. It is a traditional food loved by the entire population. During winter, Pitha Utsav, meaning Pitha festival, is organized by different groups of people. Sweets are distributed among close relatives when there is good news like baths, weddings, promotion festivities. Sweets of Bangladesh are mostly milk-based. The common ones are Rasgulla, Sandesh, Rasmalai, Gulab Jam, Kalo Jam and Chom Chom. There are hundreds of different varieties of sweet preparations. Sweets are therefore an important part of the day-to-day life of Bangladesh people. Okay, now you will read silently. I know some of you haven't carried your English book, so I have sent a picture in your mobile. I have no laptop, so that I cannot show in here projector. You can take your mobile as well. I am giving you 2 to 3 minutes. Please read silently. Okay? Are you reading? Now I am giving you a task individually. Take your note and write down what is new you learned in these topics in this passage. Please write down in 2 to 3 minutes. Okay?
Yes.
Very quick.
Quickly write down. Okay, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Show me. Okay, sit down. Namalu. Good. Dear student, now listen to me. You know there are 40 students. Now I am creating 4 groups. 4 groups. It means every groups have 10 students. Every groups will be written 10 different kinds of foods. Okay? Please write very quickly. Okay, sir. Okay, very nice. Now listen to me. If you have any unclear ideas in this passage, please write it in your home and show me it tomorrow. I will clear it. Okay. Now I am summarize the total points of today's topic. I have discussed about Bangladeshi cuisine. Bangladeshi cuisine, there are varieties of Bangladeshi cuisine. I have already told you. I think some of you like to cook some of these foods, isn't it? Okay. Now I am giving you sorry. I am asking some question. Jangir, please stand up. Can you please tell me what is our staple food? Very good. Boiled rice is our staple food. A big clap for him. Please stand up. Do you know what is Panta Ilish? Ilish slice. Okay, sit down. Very good. Marjan, stand up. Marjan, stand up. Do you like to cook food? Do you like to cook food? What kind of food you like to cook? All are Bangladeshi foods. Okay, sit down. Okay. Now I am giving you a homework. Please note it in your notebook. Okay. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Show me your notebook. Okay. I am going to finish my today's topics. See you tomorrow. Thank you.